Okay, today we're going to do some unboxing, and we're going to unbox this TV over here on the floor. Here's the box that it came from, and as you can see, my old TV was pretty old, and I bought this TV when everybody made the switch from analog to digital, so it is quite old. So now we're going to look at this LG TV. Okay, this is the box that it came in. I did open it only a little bit. They give you this paper, and it explains what renewed is. So this is a renewed TV. So you got your stand here, and they give you a protective cover over it. Take that off. You aren't going to need that. I always save the packaging because you might need it later. If you have to ship it back, or if it's incomplete, yeah. So take this stand out. I would suppose that this is an adjustable one. Then you have your remote. And I see they have a couple of batteries in here for the remote. Apparently, these are AAA batteries. This, for being renewed, it looks like it's in mostly the original packaging. Your manual looks like it's been used, and remote, more packaging. My guess is that somebody might have returned this in original condition, so therefore it's in pretty good shape. They could have just put this into a baggie and shipped it. This looks like it might be the original packaging. So you get a couple batteries. They're cheap, of course. The remote looks like it's just your standard. It does say LG on it, so apparently it is the original. Now, I'm not going to read the instructions. I just got this today, so we'll see how it goes. Make sure that you put the positive and match it up with the positive here. Most of these have springs like this right here. Usually you put the negative against that spring, like that. Here's another spring, and you're going to put your negative there. And make sure you are following the picture that is on the back here. So that looks good. I've had a bunch of electronics before, and they basically are very similar to each other. apparently they're giving you some screws. My guess is that the screws are to assemble it. And this looks again like the original packaging. They give you a transformer. You're going to need this. A lot of electronics use lower power, and that's what this is for, to lower the amount of voltage that's going into the unit. And just take off this wire tie. Might as well fold up my knife. Well, I might need my knife. I wanted to show you something on this front here. Here on the front, they give you a little picture, a symbol. Right here. It says open here. Let me get this positioned right. Open here. It shows a knife that you should not use a knife, but what I did was I took my knife and I held it so that this blade is pointing up. And this is just a cheap Walmart knife, nothing special. So I put it in here with the blade pointing up, and then went carefully down through this tape right here. Yeah, I just took my knife, put the blade pointing up, and opened it. Okay. Here's a product registration. You want to save that. Put all the bags in a safe place so that you keep those. And we're going to plug this in then. My guess is this is probably a 9-foot cord, which is the standard for a lot of electronics. And you're going to take this part here, you're going to plug it into the wall. And then this little thing here is going to plug into the TV. So this plugs into the TV, and this plugs into the wall. Lay those aside. Now we're going to take out the TV. Your standard styrofoam. Fortunately, where you open it, the TV is facing down here. So you aren't going to scratch the screen. And this is a 24-inch LG TV. They have these little symbols on here. Don't give this to your kids, all right? Little kids cannot handle plastic, and they're going to put it in their mouth, they could choke. More styrofoam, more cardboard, throw it away. But don't destroy it, because if you have to send it back, keep all this stuff. Okay.
Welcome. Thank. Language, English. You can navigate on the item by pressing left. Language. LGTV provides audio guidance for the visually impaired. Do you want to continue to use audio guidance? No, button. Yes, button. Mode setting. Selecting the environment. Choose the setting mode you want. Home use, button, select, home use. When setting TV up in home, you can adjust picture quality accordingly through picture mode menu option. Auto tuning, check your antenna connection. The previous channel information will be updated during auto tuning. Check your antenna connection. The previous channel information will be updated during auto tuning. Yes, button. Processing auto tuning. Next, TV button.
So don't talk.
Auto tuning.